It's game day, baby. Woo.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a best.
I'm on the way to the mall. I bought 2 pairs of shorts from a store that literally everyone goes to for game day clothes, and they left those stupid, I don't even know what they're called. I'm also on 0% of gas, so love that for me. But you know, oh well. But yeah, this is my little campus. This is like the downtown-ish area. Got our Chipotle, very key. They're doing some construction. This is my pretty school. I love it. And then here is just like, oh, I know that kid. It's like some places to eat. Mochi. Haven't been there yet, but sounds yum. And then these are like the clubs and like bars. And then yeah. But no, I love my school. Like, how could you not? It's so pretty. And then here is our big stadium. Everyone's already getting ready. Those tents were out there last night. They're doing some serious business. But yeah, she big. And then yeah, or there's our baseball stadium. All right, so I just I have a lisp. I'm my retainer. So I just got the little tag thing he's taken off. They're really nice about it. No biggie, whatever. And now I am going. Cute. It's hot out there. It's hot in here. Ooh. Just got my nails done. Love my little place I go to. If you're in Gainesville, it's next to the Miapa. Really, really cute little ladies. But now I'm just going to get an acai bowl, get some breakfast, and then head back to my room and kind of get everything figured out, since I think the first thing that we're going to is at 1:30. I just go where my buddy goes, and this week my buddy's Abby. She's so cute. We went to yoga the other day and that was fun. But also a shout out to Shay. I don't know why I feel so compelled to do that, but like, she's been hyping me up so much, so love you. But yeah, so I'm just going to the acai bowl place down here and gonna eat. So I just got my acai bowl. It used to be a place called In the Swamp or something, but now it's called Refresh. They're oh well, they put bananas on it too, but it's really good. Excited to munch. My apartment is just up here, and then I turn right, and then she right there, so we're close. But now we're gonna get ready. Alright, so I just did my hair. It's just like the total generic 2 little ponies, and then just curled it. This is the shirt I'm wearing, and then these are the shorts. The button broke, so gonna have to figure out how to fix that. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup now, and then I'm meeting Libby at 1:30. And yeah, so I'm so excited. But I'll do my makeup and then I'll show you guys the whole outfit, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is my makeup and hair. These earrings I got from America's Mart in Atlanta. This is a top from Copper Closet. The shorts are from Copper Closet. Even though the button broke, like, fashion taping myself in. My little DG pin, and then white little Adidas sneakers. So this is my first ever game day at any school, and I'm so excited. But I'm gonna head to the Standard now. my friend is there, and then we're gonna go to the frat pre-party, which we're paired up with as Delta Gamma. So today I think it's Kappa Sigma, I think. So, and then from there we'll go to the game. So I'm so excited. I'll take some footage on my phone and insert it here, but I can't bring my camera because my bag isn't big enough. But I'm bringing this little bag. It's really cute. They gave it to us from DG when we first, it was like midnight. But I'm so excited, and here we go.
Sorry, I ain't got no money, I'm not trying to be funny.